All right, everybody. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do something that I've been putting off for quite some time because I wasn't sure exactly how to do it, but I found out how to do it and it's way easier than I thought it was. So I figured let's go ahead and get this clean. So basically what I'm talking about is I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your intake air filter. Now this works on a stock intake, on any aftermarket intake, or just any intake really. Like it doesn't even have to be a Genesis Coupe. This is basically the best way to clean just any aftermarket intake filter for your car. So yeah, that's really all there is to this. Let's go ahead and jump into it and I'll show you guys how to clean it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is take this shield off right here. Now for us, it's only these 3 bolts. We already got one of them off. They're all different. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this off and then I'll show you guys what's next. So the next thing you want to do is for us, we just have this flathead right here with this, I guess it's just like some sort of clamp pretty much. We just got to unscrew that and then the filter should just slide right out. It might not fit out around the shielding, but we'll see. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get the filter out and then I'll show you guys how to clean it. We just got the filter out. We had to take this whole piece out actually. It was kind of a pain, but here it is. It's out. So we're going to go ahead and clean it. I'll show you guys how to do that now. All right, so honestly my filter's not that dirty, but to clean it all you need is a low powered vacuum and then really just a brush attachment, and then you just vacuum it. All right, after you get done vacuuming it, that's really all there is to it. Maybe if it was really dirty, I saw it said that you could blow it out with like a low compression in the air compressor, but that was not needed for this one. This one was really honestly pretty clean. It's been in here for, I don't even know, bare minimum 3-4 months. Yeah, probably like 3 to 6 months this thing's been in here and it's still holding up really good. Like it looks brand new basically. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. You just got to vacuum it out. And if it's really dirty, you could blow it out with the air compressor. I think it said like 15 to 20 PSI was safe and you wouldn't mess anything up. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. We're gonna go ahead and get this put back in and then I'll see you guys after that. All right, everybody, we just finished getting everything put back together. Now, as you guys can see, I only have 2 to 3 screws here that I had before we started cleaning the intake. And that's because this screw right here fell down in there and I don't really know how to get it out. It's actually up on this piece of plastic right down here. The one that, I don't know if you guys can really see it that well, but the one that I'm pointing at right now, right in front of you guys. And that piece of plastic has a lip on both sides, so I have no idea how I'm going to get that screw out. Probably just let it rattle out on its own and then just grab a new one to replace that and not worry about it anymore. So yeah, if you clean your intake filter once every 2 to 3 months, you should be looking good. One more thing I want to talk about before we wrap this video up is I think it's time to finally go ahead and get a true cold air intake from 3.8 Performance. Like yeah, the air sucks in through there and like goes down in the box where the intake's at, but like it's just blocked in down there and I really don't see this intake doing a whole lot for me. I'd probably be better off with the stock one. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know to stay tuned for that. Expect maybe within the next 2 to 3 weeks to see an install for the 3.8 true cold air intake on here and we can finally get ourselves an actual working intake. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys basically how easy it is to clean your aftermarket intake. So really that is going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. If you guys enjoyed, do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.